So I got the bike recovered, but as soon as I powered it off at home, tried to power it back on, stalled again, no lights, no battery, even though I gave it a good run, so I didn't give it enough charge. So the bike is staying home today. Probably a good thing. Pretty frosty today. Probably best that I walk in. Plus it's absolutely beautiful this morning, so go and enjoy the sunrise. Looks like it's going to be really beautiful this morning as I walk in. It's a blessing the bike's packed up. Also, because I panicked and woke up early being about 4 o'clock, I managed to get out and charge the bike, or attempt to charge the bike, with my battery charger, which I think the fuse has gone in, so we're going to test that when we get to work. But I also got a good 45 minutes to an hour's yoga in, so I'm feeling pretty good. Also, from the footage earlier in this video, I noticed that when I'm doing some of my poses, my legs aren't straight, are they? Something about rounding this corner and being revealed with the sea that I find quite breathtaking. So unbelievable how cool it is living here. Oh, so blessed. 3 years and I still can't get over this feeling. I wonder if I ever will be bored of it. The little guy got splashed. So next year Penzance is due to host a cycle race going through it along the promenade, and for that the council are actually bothering to resurface it. So instead of that cracked, beat up stuff that's on there now, there will be smooth surface, ideal for cycling, also ideal for, you've guessed it, skating. So I'll be able to skate to town in the summer, because at the moment this is really horrible to skate on. Just stopped off to see one of my volunteers who's sadly had a fall. Check if she's alright. She seems fine, but I like to check on her anyway. Dropped off a few bits to her as well. Heading home now, but obviously it's a bit dark, it's a bit cold, I'm not walking it, and I've got a car battery charger and a kids sing-along stereo in my bag, both to repair. And yeah, I'm getting the bus in a minute.
So I said to him, listen,
I like this little alley, it's a bit like Diagon Alley. It's cute. Successful day. I got into town this morning and metered my fuse on the car battery charger thing, and it was a fail, so the fuse had blown. So I took it down the road to the local electric shop. They didn't have what I wanted, but they did have what I wanted at the local car repair place, because it's a car fuse, really. It's one of those big ones that look like buck teeth. And got a replacement for that for £1.49. So I'm going to go and charge the bike in a minute. Well, replace the fuse, charge the bike, fingers crossed it'll start up, ready to go on a cool trek tomorrow. I'm going to go and meet someone who, through my videos on YouTube, has hooked up with me and wants to go for a skate. So I'm going to go to a new skate park, skate with a skater, someone else, another human being that isn't my lovely partner. Hopefully we'll be able to share some tricks, share some stories about coming back to blading, maybe do like a little interview or something. Would you guys like that? I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Oh, it... Oi! Come on, PJ Llama.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go and get your PJs on. Fine. Me and Mimi the owl are going to bed then. Are you going to go to bed now, are you? Or is me and Mimi the owl going to go up to bed?
No.
Come on then. Let's go upstairs to Mimi with Mimi. Come on then. Let's go up for our rainbow corridor. Oh yeah, this is our rainbow lights corridor. It's beautiful with all our paintings up. Look at it, isn't it gorgeous? And a nice mirror there. Still a work in progress, there's still tools everywhere. And a cool mirror to look in when we want to go. Look at my form. Look at my fine form. So, moment of truth. Did it charge my bike? Sorry, Luna. I'm sorry, baby.